don't remember this.
तो दोस्तों माना जाता है कि MIT believes anything is possible. To teach you this, they give you the hardest problems they can think of in their exams. But at the same time, they flood you with all the resources you need for that problem. आप Google भी कर सकते हो. That's So, inspired by MIT's pattern, I decided to challenge IIT Bombay students with their most difficult final exam for physics, chemistry, and math. We just parked our Activa in front of Mehta School of Business. तो यहाँ पे challenge करते हैं अब.
चलो बैग पैक करो जल्दी चलते हैं.
Okay, so we finally found some students from IIT Bombay who are willing to do the MIT challenge. So hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. I'm Vijay. I'm currently in my sophomore year in mechanical engineering.
Awesome.
Yeah, excited.
So you're graduating in the next 3 years.
Yeah, correct.
Rules are pretty simple. Can you please share your favorite subject out of physics, chemistry, or math?
Yeah, I chose physics because I was kind of interested in it. So yeah, I found my problem also actually.
You found it? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go for it. So here's your whiteboard, here's your marker, and let's get started. Okay, sure. Okay, in the meantime, let's do introduction of y'all. Would you like to introduce yourself?
So I'm Neeraj Mahajan. I'm a 4th year CS undergrad.
Awesome. So what's your favorite subject? Are you ready for the challenge?
And it was chemistry.
It was chemistry.
Yeah, it
Can you
was
say-
chemistry. So
Huh? Question, sorry, go ahead. Yeah, physics era. So, it was chemistry. Okay,
and the last time I did chemistry or physics or math was in my first year.
Oh, so it's been long
3
time.
years. I knew all these things. I just looked at it and I don't even remember what molecular orbital theory was. So
Oh, like all the topics are from our 12th class.
Yeah, it was there in our JDs.
Yeah, the only difference is it's from MIT final exam. Okay, so go for it. If you find any question, you can solve it. If you cannot, still you win $20. Go for it. We're starting now. Yeah, go for it. So you have picked the question from?
It's
from 11th
okay.
class. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's wrong, we'll still post it because that will kind of embarrass.
No. And where are you from? By the way, I forgot to ask.
I'm from Jaipur.
Jaipur. Nice.
Rajasthan, yeah.
तो आप कोटा में पढ़े थे?
Yeah, Seeker actually. it is.
Oh wow, nice.
You know that?
Seeker?
Yeah.
I know. I mean, I recently went to Jaipur as well, so I know
Oh,
some.
nice. That's cool.
साथ में नहीं कर सकते बस ये याद रखना.
हाँ, इसको ये बोल रहे इसको ये करना है.
Okay, so Vijay has solved the problem. So question number 8. There are 3 options, right?
Yeah.
So A is 3G by 2L. You got 3 by 2GL. It's a bit wrong. Okay, no problem. Next is अगर 3 option है ना 3 में से 2 भी सही है then also you get that.
Okay.
So let's
I
see.
think it's wrong.
It's wrong.
Probably.
So third is ML squared W squared 1 by 6. That's all wrong. But you still get $20.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So we were smart, yeah. Still congratulations.
Thank you
Worked
so
your
much.
hard work.
It is fun.
Now time for Neeraj. And where are you from, by the way?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Nice. Okay, so आपने choose किया है question inorganic से.
Yeah.
Okay, inorganic. Go for it. So your time. Let me start the timer.
This part, right?
This part, yeah. So there are 3 options, 4 options. Even if you can get 3 right out of 4, you get the answer. You get the full reward. And this is from 11th class, right?
I don't know. Okay. Can I get a clarification? What the hell is SN?
Number of atoms bonded to central atom plus the number of lone electron pairs surrounding the central atom. So that's SN.
I don't remember this. I know it's pyramidal.
आप Google भी कर सकते हो. That
Okay.
also. Feel free to Google as well.
Atoms bonded to central atom plus number of lone electrons. Okay. Plus, right? Like number of lone electrons.
Yes. So it's a steric number, basically.
Steric number. Cool.
Yeah. Okay, now chemistry. First answer 5. Correct. Number 2, seesaw. That's not pyramidal. मुझे याद है seesaw pyramid पढ़ा हुआ है. Number 3, first का structure है आपका S के ऊपर 2, F के ऊपर अपने atoms नहीं ड्रॉ किए.
लेक F के ऊपर क्यों ड्रॉ करना है?
हर सवाल के लिए एक नया रूल.
हाँ वही पॉइंट सही है. S के ऊपर 2 सही है. And 4 का
Okay, this is
there's a range.
Not-
Greater than 90, less than
I
120.
just selected the most closest one, but ठीक है मेरा गलत ही वैसे
गलत
because
है।
मैंने 109.5 select किया.
But फिर भी आपके 3 options सही हैं out of 4. As I said, so you won $100. Congratulations. Awesome. That was really quick. Very smart of you. After 4 years also you could do it.
I mean ठीक है सीसा मिस कर दिया.
हो गया ये ना
नहीं नहीं वेट दूसरा बैंक में डालना है ये गलत बैंक डाला सॉरी.
टैक्स लग जाएगा.
I shall not continue this conversation on camera.
Most welcome. Congratulations.
क्या बोलूं
ऐसा लग रहा
सही लग रहा है.
है तो क्या करने वाले हो आप अमाउंट से?
I don't know. I mean, I just got selected for a masters in UCSD.
UCSC?
Yeah,
Congratulations. So
थोड़ा फंडिंग बचा रहा हूँ मैं. तो एक काम करूँगा बचा रखूँगा इसको.
So अब हम चले hostel 9 to complete the challenge. Final location hostel 9 is a senior dorm, so senior hostel जहाँ पे 4th year students रहते हैं. साइकिल ज़्यादा तेज चलता है एक्टिवा से यहाँ पे. Now hostel 9 senior dorm. So hi, can you please introduce yourself? We are now at hostel 9 senior hostels.
So I am Bhavnur Singh, I'm resident of Hostel 9 and I'm a third year CSE student.
Here you say something. Very nice to meet you. So what's your favorite subject?
Physics.
Physics. And where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Jalandhar.
Nice. So physics, let's get started. काफ़ी बच्चे physics choose कर रहे हैं. This is really incredible. And आपने कहाँ से तैयारी की थी जेई की?
Akash Jalandhar.
Nice. So you went through the paper. So आपने कौन सा decide किया question?
Second question.
Second question. So that is also related to mechanics. तो yeah, ये हमने किया हुआ है. I remember balloon cylinder which is 6 inch. कितनी बार हमने किया? This is from my 11th class. Okay. So go ahead. So if you need the formula, I can also give you. MIT के पेपर में भी होता है, so I want to be fair. So Bhavnur has solved the problem. So let's see. So question number 3 आपका आंसर आया. इसके दो पार्ट्स दोनों कर दिए आपने.
Second
So
question.
second question. First का आंसर है W by pi r square
Rho G.
rho g. That is right. Awesome. And second का आंसर है G by 2. Wow. Congratulations. You just won $100. Third student to win. Many many congratulations. छा गए. MIT में ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ था पर IIT में बजट कम पड़ रहा है. Done. Also, congratulations once again. कैसे लगे questions MIT के? So this is the computer science building जहाँ पे we are doing the challenge. Hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Rituparna and I'm a second year undergrad in mechanical engineering department.
Nice to meet you. And where are you from?
I'm from Gadchiroli, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Nice. Awesome. So what's your favorite subject? Physics, chemistry or math?
I mean, compared to both, I will say it's physics. Compared to chemistry and mathematics, it's physics.
So question decide भी कर लिया आपने?
Yeah.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि mind में पहले solve कर लिया है?
No, I haven't.
I hope you haven't solved
no,
it.
No, I haven't.
Okay. So you can go for it. And आपने कहाँ से पढ़ाई की थी? मतलब जेई की?
I did my preparation in Nagpur.
नागपुर.
Yeah.
Nice. So this is also from 11th class.
I mean,
Mechanics. पूरा paper ही mechanics का. This whole paper is from 11th.
yeah, I can see that.
And if you need help with any formulas, let me know too. Because in MIT, like they allow you to see a cheat sheet of formulas, and I can Google it for you as well. But आपको याद है? Drum roll. So the answer is A, 3 mg plus mg equals to 4 mg.
Oh, okay.
And number 2 is
L by 4.
L by 4.
Okay, it's.
You got L by 6.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. But you still get $20 for participation.
I mean, yeah.
I know it is.
I mean, can I get this one? It's okay.
Yeah, well, congratulations nonetheless. Also, yeah, most welcome. Now let's meet Shrey. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Shrey Singla and I am third year computer science.
Third year computer science. Awesome. And where are you from?
I'm from Punjab.
Punjab. Awesome. Punjab to kahan se?
Punjab, Ludhiana.
Ludhiana. I was born there.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
awesome. Yeah. So what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is physics.
So this is the physics paper. It's from mechanics. 11th class ki physics hai.
Okay.
So pick any one question. If you get the right answer, $100. If you get the wrong answer, $20. Because you become a warrior. Like the Kota factory, yaad hai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have picked, yeah.
You picked already. Which question?
Problem 5.
Problem 5. And आपने कहाँ से try की थी? जेई आपने आपने कहाँ से की?
एलन चंडीगढ़।
एलन चंडीगढ़, थैंक्स।
तो वो बंदा 35 रैंक पे।
हैं 35 रैंक, ओह माय गॉड, मुझे पता नहीं था। आई डोंट आस्क पीपल्स रैंक बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू हैव बायस अगेंस्ट एनीवन, क्योंकि लाइक हर एक ने हार्डवर्क बहुत ज़्यादा किया। नाउ कंपेयरिंग, किसी ने लाइक 99% हार्डवर्क किया, किसी ने 99.99, तो it's not fair. Like, you know, best of the best students are here. So Shrey has solved the problem. Let's see the answers. Here's the answer sheet for physics. तो कौन सा क्वेश्चन नंबर था? 5. So एक आंसर है 3 mg/4, which is correct. Wow.
फर्स्ट इज द फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम।
हाँ, पी बॉडी डाला हूँ, बिल्कुल सही है। mg/4. Wow, congratulations. Within 3 minutes, you got the right answer. Many congratulations. And you just won $100. आपका Google Pay. मतलब physics 5 minutes से कम में करना, it's a challenge and you made it. Incredible. So what do you feel about the paper so far?
दिस वाज अ प्रीटी सिंपल क्वेश्चन।
But overall paper आपने देखा, कैसा लगा? Like what do you feel about the paper?
या इट्स मोर और लेस लाइक इन द एडवांस।
JEE Advanced, right?
Yeah.
JEE Advanced level.
Yeah.
But the advantage with MIT is basically you get a cheat sheet. आपको formula दे दिए जाएंगे. You'll have a formula sheet, so you don't have to memorize the formulas. But you had it. I gave you the option to. So that formula sheet makes it a little bit simpler. But many congratulations nonetheless. And what do you all feel about the campus so far?
Yeah, so the campus is very beautiful, and like during the rainy days, it all becomes green, and it also has a lake and a hill. So any excursion you want, you can do it inside the campus only.
Wow. मतलब बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. All the adventure activities you can do it here.
Yes, yes.
And up, favorite part about campus?
Yeah, so it's a green campus with quite a lot of wildlife. So campus के north में संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क है. घड़ियाल देख सकते हो, leopards भी आते कभी-कभी, deer, peacocks.
Wow, incredible. चिराग, he was able to do in his mind. अगर आप लोगों ने भी ऐसा कर लिया तो challenge वही खत्म. चिराग. And I'm not gonna ask anyone of your rank, but first of all, rank doesn't matter. Yeah. The hard work you have done is much beyond anyone can think of, and asking rank is just an insult to that. चलो फिर भी बता दो rank क्या था. Just kidding. It was a joke for the camera. It was a joke for the camera.